So today we are starting with sum number 5 for exercise 15 on chapter circles. So let us see sum number 4. Now you can see this is the figure that is given. CD is the straight line. So as CD is a straight line, so we can say angle B is 180 degree minus 122 degree, that is 58 degree. As we get this 58 degree, so we can say x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 58 degree, we get 32 degree. This is the figure for the fifth sum, and here as you can see I have named the triangles. I prefer giving names because it helps with the sums easily. As you can see, BC is parallel to OD. So angle C and angle D will be 90 degree because they are corresponding angles. So you can see angle ACB is 90 degree and angle ADO is 90 degree because they are corresponding angles. Okay, now sum of two interior angles is equal to exterior angles. So we can say Y is equal to 90 degree plus 40 degree, that is 130 degree. And to find X, as we get Y as 130 degree, so X is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, so that is 50 degree. As you can see, this is the figure for the sixth sum, and angle B here will be is equal to angle A because they are isosceles triangle. As you can see, AC is equal to BC. So x plus x is equal to 90 degree and x will be 45 degree. Now for angle B, it will be 180 degree minus 45 because here we got x as 45. So it will be 135 degree. Now for triangle BCD, angle C will be equal to angle D because of isosceles triangle. So y plus y will be 180 degree minus 135 degree. So therefore y will be 180 degree minus 135 by 2. That will come to as 22.5 degrees. For the seventh sum, let us name the triangle first A, B and C. So in angle B it will form 90 degree because this is the line that is falling on the tangent. If this is 90 degree, so therefore in triangle ABC, x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 65 degree, that will come as 25. For the eighth sum, let us name the triangle as A, B and C. So as this is the line that falls on the tangent, that will be 90 degree. As you can see, AC is equal to BC, that means they are isosceles triangle. If this is isosceles triangle, x is equal to y, therefore x plus x is equal to 90 degree. So x will be 45 degrees. The figure for sum number 9. So in triangle OBA, x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 36 degree, so x will come as 54 degree. Now for triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC, so this forms an isosceles triangle. So angle O here will be 180 degree minus 54 because x was 54, and we get as 126 as O. Angle O will be 126. Now y will be y equal to 180 degree minus 126 by 2. So we get as 27 degree. So this is the figure for sixth sum number 1. So if this is a semicircle that is given, so first let us name the triangle as A, B and C. So angle C here will form 90 degree, BC is given as 8 and AC is given as 15. We know this is the diameter, so x is the diameter, y will be the radius, so y will be equal to x by 2. Now x is square because it is the hypotenuse. X is square is equal to 15 square by plus 8 square. because we are applying Pythagoras theorem, so x will come to as 17 and y will be x by 2, that is 17 by 2, that is 8.5. This is the figure of 6-2 that is provided. Now let us first name the triangles. Let us name this as A and this here as B. So for OB is 5 centimeter and OA will also be 5 centimeter because this is the radius. Now it will form a 90 degree here and it will also form a 90 degree here, as we know. Now tangent AP is 12. So tangent PB will also be 12. So therefore y will also become as 12 centimeter. Now for triangle POB, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square, that is x square, is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, that is 169. So therefore x will come as 13 centimeter. This is the figure that is provided for 6-3. Now for triangle OT1P, it forms a 90 degree here. So OT1 is the radius and OP is the hypotenuse. Now x square will be is equal to 24 square plus 18 square. So x will come as 30 centimeter. Now for triangle OT2P, we will draw a dotted line on the T2 because that is from the radius. So that will come as 24 centimeter and we know x as 30 centimeter. So with that we will get y. So triangle OT2P, y will be equal to 30 square minus 24 square, that will come as y as 18 centimeter.